Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is PB Organic. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my pink lip scrub. This scrub is to be used on your lips before you start to apply your pink lip balm. So I'm going to be starting off now with my sugar. You're going to be needing sugar. For this process I'm using white granulated sugar, but you could also use brown sugar if you desire. That is also very good. So next I'm going to be using glycerin. I'm going to be adding some of my glycerin into this mixture. Glycerin will help to moisturize your lip. So this is it guys, glycerin. You can use any kind of glycerin or vegetable oil of your choice. So next I'm going to be adding in some drops of my apricot oil. Apricot oil is also very good. This is a very good moisturizer. So guys, this is optional. You could also replace this with something else. You could also replace this with another essential oil of your choice. So next into the mixture is going to be honey. I'm going to be adding also honey into this mixture. Honey is good for everything. It's good to be consumed. It's good for the skin. It's also very good for making lip scrub. So guys, I'm going to be introducing to you citric. This is actually lemon extract. This is lemon extract concentrate. I'm going to be adding some drops of this into my lip scrub, but this is also optional. You could use your lemon juice. If you cannot find citric, you can also use lemon juice. Put some drops of your lemon juice into the lip scrub and this will just do the job. And so guys, lemon juice is also very good. Lemon juice will help lighten up your skin. Lemon juice will help lighten up your lips naturally, giving your lips that natural look. So guys, this is my carrot oil. I made this carrot oil myself. Actually my base oil was olive oil, so you could also use coconut oil as a base or olive oil as a base. I'm just going to be putting some drops of this into the mixture. Last but not least, this looks so tattered right now. I've had this for some time now. For the pink food coloring, you do not actually need much. You just need some drops to give it that intense color. This is also very good. This will help change the color of your lips. So guys, do not go buying any other color of food coloring. It has to be pink food coloring color, so you could achieve that pink lip in a short while. So guys, let's start off now. Right now I'm going to be starting off with my sugar. So I'm actually going to be putting 4 tablespoons of my granulated sugar into my mixing bowl. Then I'll be adding in some honey into my mixture. Tastes really good. So guys, I'm going to be adding some of my carrot oil into the mixture. Actually, I'm not using any special measurements. You could improvise. So 1 tablespoon of my glycerin, vegetable glycerin. going in there. So for my apricot oil, I just need a little bit of my apricot oil to help moisturize the lips fully. So guys, I'm just going to be putting a half tablespoon of citric clear into the mixture. So guys, you're just going to stir this. So guys, you're just going to be stirring in this mixture. So this is a consistency that I like. So I can add a little more of my carrot oil, or I can add a little more of my glycerin, my vegetable glycerin, just a little more. You can never go wrong with this, guys. If you're making this sugar scrub and you happen to have a very light consistency, you can always add your sugar, add more sugar. You know, I have a lot of messages from my lovely subscribers who have tried some of my recipes, saying they made some lotions or soap and it's so light. You can always add your base, always add your base, add more base. If you happen to add in too much oils, just add some of your base to thicken it up a little bit. So I'm mixing this together. So guys, now I'm going to be adding in some of my pink lip coloring. Just need a little bit of my pink lip coloring. So continue to stir. Remember guys, to achieve that super permanent pink lips, you have to scrub. Use this scrub for like about 3 days before you start using your pink lip balm. That will help you to penetrate properly. This is like an exfoliation for your lips, to help exfoliate your lips. You can even achieve a pink lip balm just using the scrub for about a week, 2 times daily, to scrub your lips. Scrub gently, do not scrub so hard. Then you apply your moisturizer. You can use Vaseline as your moisturizer, or a normal pink lip balm which you purchase from the store. So stir this very well. You can see how beautiful this looks. This looks really good, and this works magic. Trust me guys, this pink lip scrub works magic. So mix it in very well. So after mixing this in, I like to allow it sit. After mixing this in, I like to allow it sit for some time. Then I'm going to be transferring this into my container. So not forgetting guys, I'm going to be adding also my peppermint oil. Just 2 to 3 drops of my peppermint oil into the mixture, just to give it that minty feel on your lips. So guys, like I said earlier, you can always optionalize your lemon oil. I have used citric clear as my lemon extract. You can use the fresh lemon, which I also have here. I use this also and it's very effective, but today I decided to use my my lemon extract, so concentrate, citric clear, which is also very, very effective on the lips. I mean, if you are looking to acquire that Pinklips lips, try this at home. Please make sure your measurements and your ingredients are complete. You can always optionalize some of the ingredients here. This is a simple sugar scrub. You can optionalize the carrot oil for olive oil. You can optionalize the citric clear for lemon juice. And I believe we all have sugar at home. I believe we all have food coloring also at home. So right now I'm going to be transferring this into my, so right now guys, I'm going to be transferring my sugar scrub into my container. So you're just going to be transferring it into your container. So this is it guys, the final stage. This is my pink lip scrub. So guys, like I said, you can try this. This is really, really amazing. Try this. If you do not like the pink lip balm, you do not want to stress with the pink lip balm, you can just do this. You have everything at home. It doesn't matter where you live. You have sugar. Sugar is easily accessible. You can use brown sugar, you can use your white sugar, use your white sugar, you can use your lemon, you can use lemon here right now. Right here is sold everywhere, but I have used citric clear for my for this mixture. So guys, try this at home and let me know your reviews. You can just do this without using the pink lip balm, but to have a more effective result, it is good you use this as a scrub for like 3 to 4 days before you start to use your pink lip balm. Thanks so much guys for watching.